So here's our choco banana crepe. So guys, we're gonna start with the cup. Wala akong measuring cup, so I'm gonna use this normal cup as basis ko na sa ratio niya. So I'm gonna put some 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour. If you have a measuring cup, it's better. Yung sa akin kasi nawala hindi ko makita. So this will be my basis. Huwag nyong isisiksik yung flour Put it normally and then sift it. Yan. If you don't have sifter, pwede rin. Mix nyo na lang. Wala namang problema. No issues for that one. So ito, chine-check ko lang kung may mga nahalo na ibang tag nito. Malay mo may bato dyan, bigas. And for finer na rin. Ayan. So it's done. On this recipe guys, you can make like 8 pieces. It depends on the size of your pan. Kung malaki yung pan nyo, mas lesser magagawa nyo. Kung maliit lang gagawin nyo, mas marami. So we put 1 cup of flour. Then now we're gonna put water. Yan. It should be 1 cup of water also. But I'm gonna put like 3/4 for now, and we're gonna mix that slowly later on. Mas okay na yung magdagdag na lang tayo kaysa yung sumobra. So I don't have fresh milk. What we're gonna do is gonna mix some powdered milk. But if you have the fresh milk, you can put 1 cup fresh milk and disregard the water. Yeah, just mix this one. I'd rather prefer to use powdered milk because pwede siyang i-store ng mas matagal. So anytime pwede mo siyang gamitin, unlike sa fresh milk. Yan. So we have sugar. Yan. We have fresh milk. Mabilis lang siya masira sa fridge. Yan, may kasama pang kape, konti. Here we're gonna add the water now. You can put it slowly, you can put it one time. Depende sa trip mo. It depends on you how you handle the butter. Pero kung dahan-dahan, mas maganda. Kumbaga pag first time, dahan-dahan lang. Huwag mong bibilisan. Yan. So may 3 eggs tayo. 1 cup flour, 1 cup water, and 3 eggs. I have the small size eggs. If you have a bigger egg, better use a measurement. So for if big one, siguro yung extra large I'm gonna use 2, but this is small one. Ayan, may nalaglag pa. Minamadali ko na to kasi my wife is going to work, so I need to make this crepe para may baon siya. Ayan, so second egg and third egg. Oh, Bobo moves. Wash. So 3 eggs, 1 flour, 1 cup water. And here's our vanilla essence. Approximately 1 tablespoon. Pang sa aroma niya lang yan, sa amoy, then onting lasa ng vanilla. If you don't have vanilla, no problem. We have butter. So yung mga 2 to 3 tablespoon butter. Or if you don't have butter, you can use margarine also. If you don't have margarine, pwede na rin oil. Then mix nyo lang. So if you're making crepe, make sure it's light butter. Butter, I mean it's B-A-T-T-E-R. Butter na ganon na spelling, hindi yung butter na iniisip ng iba. Yan. So medyo thick pa siya, lagyan mo lang ng water unti-unti kasi we rest the crepe for like 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes before cooking it. But for this one, I'm gonna cook this direct. So I'm gonna put some water more. It's fine. Ayan. Okay na po yung slightly mix. Ayan. Basta tignan nyo yung butter. Ayan. Medyo runny siya. Don't overmix the crepe because every time you mix the egg and flour, mas lalo nag-release ng gluten yan. So, lightly mix lang and then you're done. Ayan, so okay. So, here's our butter. I'm gonna cook it direct na po. But if you have time, you can rest it for like 15 minutes to 30 minutes para ano lahat, mag combine ng, oh may nakalimutan pala ako. We're gonna put some salt. I forgot to put some salt. Kasi naglagay tayo, puro sugar, tamis lang siya eh. So, we're gonna put some like half teaspoon or just a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon para makontra lang yung tamis niya, para hindi siya maumay. So, we have this non-stick pan. Yan. No need for oil or butter for this one. But if you're gonna use yung hindi siya non-stick, yung gagamitin nyo, normal pan, you need to put some butter on it first and make it hot. Here. Okay, so start tayo. Medyo mainit na yung pan natin. Yan. Lagyan nyo lang and then swirl nyo lang yung yung pot nyo or yung pan nyo. Akin kasi pot to eh. Medyo malaki-laki. Pero pag meron kang non-stick pan in the fire, okay na yun. Mas okay yun. Mas madali siyang i-swirl. Then makikita mo yan siya magbubutas-butas yan eh on the side. Bali, mas makita nyo na
Tamping nga akong banana dyan.
Color niya, diba?
Banana.
Naluluto na siya. Nag-steam na yan.
Dalawa.
Yung nagbubutas-butas na yun,
Tsaka yung natela mo nandyan.
Ano na siya, halfly cook na siya. Makikita at maaamoy nyo naman yan.
Tapos yung natela mo.
Then flip lang natin siya. Wow, sarap niyan. See? It's very easy. Easy and simple. Kahit sino pwedeng gawin to.
Malinis ka di?
Baluan ko na lang.
So kayo guys, pag ako kasi kinakamay ko na minsan eh. Ako sanay na yung kamay ko sa init eh. But if you have a flipper, i-flip mo na lang. Ayan, sa akin mainit yan sa kamay pag hindi kayo sanay. So this crepe, basically marami siya pwedeng gawin. You can use strawberry, any fruits with cream, butter, sugar, or like blueberry sauce, orange sauce, any citrus sauce, raspberry, blueberry, dami pwede. Chocolate, pwede nyo laruin, lagyan nyo ng cream. Nasa inyo na lang how you play your food. In French naman, this French they use some the savory. Alam niyo yung savory? They use naman salty meat, cured meat with veg. Ayan. So, ang bilis, diba? Ang bilis niya maluto.
Tamping pa akong banana. Sira tong isa.
So remember guys don't mix your butter too much kasi mag-release yan ng gluten. So every time magiging rubber yung crepe nyo. pag na-overmix nyo yung butter mixture. Yan. Yan yung pabilog niya, andyan lang yung init niya kasi electric yung gamit ko eh. So yung middle niya, walang ano yan, walang init. Meron siguro kakaperaso. So lalagay ko siya sa side. Andiyan kasi yung init eh. But if you're using a fire, no problem, i-flip nyo na lang ng i-flip. Very easy, pwedeng sa breakfast, merienda. Gusto mabusan ng mga kids ko. If you want business, you can use it
Tatay pa kasi
as
sa
business.
banana.
Marami siyang varieties. Yan. So I have this ripe banana already. Yan, medyo na overripe na yung banana. So gamitin natin yan.
Tapos na to.
Mahirap magtapon ng food. So kung ano yung pwede nyong gamitin sa food, kung pwede siyang kainin nyo rin. Diba? Sayang mahirap waste. So this one, I'm gonna make it fast. Para sa sa baon ng asawa ko. Kaya mabilisan to. Yung isa na lang gagawa na tayo ng plating for later on. Ito gabaunin niya sa trabaho sa hospital.
Ilang crepe babaunin mo, may isa lang?
Easy snacks. I'm gonna put some Nutella, chocolate Nutella. If you have strawberry, you can put also. You have cream, you can put also. So I have Nutella here. I'm gonna use Nutella, chocolate. You have nuts, you can put also nuts. It depends on your taste preference and your creativity. Paano mo siya laruin. So I have this banana and Nutella. So this good. Okay na to. Baon ni Mrs. yan. Nabel ko na lang siya. And then cover up with the foil. Yan na, baon niya na yan. Pwede rin sa mga kiddos, yung mga anak nyo sa school o sa mga nagtatrabaho. Yan, ito sample sa mga bata. Yan, pagkain na nila yon. So gawa na tayo ng pang plating natin. Yan, half and then 1/4 chocolate again on half, then fold it 1/4. There you go. So lagyan natin siya sa plate, and here's our banana. Ito pwede nyo siya ng laruin na. You can put some cream, you can put some candy sprinkles, some peanut sauce, kondensada you can use also. But dito po may Nutella ako, so I'm gonna use Nutella. Yan. O, diba? Mukhang social na siya. Pambahay lang to. Ayan, ayan. May binili akong small candy crinkles para sa mga bata. Pag gumagawa ako ng sweets nila, yan. Dagdag lang ako. Ayan. May iba-ibang shape yan eh. May star, may bilog, may flat circle, tsaka yung chocolate na mini candies. pang-attract lang sa mga chikiting, sa mga bata, para mas lalo silang kumain. If you have M&M's, you can use that one. If you have Kit Kats, yan, pwede yan. Pang toppings, i-chop nyo lang or cut nyo lang na maganda sa mata ng mga bata. And drizzle some more. And that's done. If you have confectioner sugar, you can put also on top. See? Oh, wow. Very easy and simple. So hope you like this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a comment or any reactions kung anong kinalabasan ng crepe nyo kung ginawa nyo to. Ito si baby, bigyan na natin.
I have crepe for you. Is it beautiful?
Mhm. So try this, guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Uulit-ulitin nyo tong recipe na to. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos.